had guessed as much, but hearing it out loud hit me harder than a hammer. I felt a lump in my throat, my face crinkled like a baby's, and I covered it with my hands, holding back tears. It was the final verdict.
Damn it!
The whole past week, I still had some hope, subconsciously sure that they would get it out of their system and change their minds. But this was final.
Harsh event detected.